guys, it's Jamie. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time watching my video today, I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new, and you do stick around by subscribing to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much guys for always liking, commenting, and sharing my video. You guys are literally the best for supporting my channel.
Okay.
So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about another bronzer. I know, I just did a video on the Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer in my last video, but today I'm gonna be talking about the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. I literally could cry. I'm so excited.
Wow.
Y'all know I love bronze skin, and your girl needs some bronzer because I've barely been out in the sun, but then I see everybody going out and about, living their best lives, tanning, sunbathing, living, and did we forget to social distance?
I'm just saying. No shade though.
So I'm obviously super excited to be showing you guys a new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. I'm going to be swatching it on my skin and showing you guys what it looks like. So keep on watching.
Thank you.
My makeup is exactly the same as my previous video. I will link it above. The only thing I did a little bit differently is I'm not wearing any blush, highlighter, or bronzer, obviously, because I want you guys to see what the bronzer looks like without anything on my cheeks. So make sure you guys watch that video, but don't be rude. Watch this video first, obviously, and then watch that one.
So bossy, but also, why the drama?
Darlings,
Mer.
this is what the packaging looks like.
Okay.
It says a matte bronzing filter for face and body for the most gorgeous sun-kissed bronze skin. Ooh, my vibe.
Calm down.
Buff onto skin and blend with the airbrush for a natural looking sun-kissed finish. Made in Italy. There is 16 grams of product, which is a lot, and the product is good for 24 months. This is what the actual packaging looks like. Guys, it looks like a seashell or something, but it's huge. I can literally hide behind this bronzer.
Hi. I see you though.
I just love Charlotte's packaging. It always looks beautiful. It feels luxe. It has a good weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. We like the rich. I mean, for $65 Canadian, she better be luxe. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try it for you guys.
Bad girl.
I've obviously swatched it. Honestly, when people say it's their first time trying it, I don't know if I believe them because, I don't know, I get way too excited. I mean, I love y'all, but when there's a new product that comes in, I cannot wait to swatch it, try it. So I tend to not do first time impression videos because of that.
Yep.
This is what the color looks like in tan. It's a perfect match for me. You guys will see.
Ooh.
There are 4 shades and this is the third to the last. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm a little bit disappointed that the bronzer only comes in 4 shades. But what about the other people though? I just feel like at this time in our lives and at this point in our lives that there should be more than just 4 shades to accommodate all the different skin tones. I feel like at least
Yes, give it to us.
8 different shades, even 6. I will take 6, honey. So if anybody's watching from Charlotte Tilbury's PR team, probably not. But if you are, do better. We need more shades. So let's get on that, yeah? Okay. Anyways, it has a huge mirror, which I love because you can totally travel around with this compact if you're doing like random touch-ups, if you want to put more bronzer on. This bronzer is also refillable, so if you do run out, you can always just buy the inside part, so you don't have to pay for the packaging, which is cool. But like also this bronzer is so freaking big. Like who is running out of all this bronzer? I mean, I know I love bronzer. I will probably bathe in it, honey, but I can't imagine literally ever running out of it. It's gonna last me till I die. Okay, that was a bit morbid. It's gonna last me for a long time is all I'm saying. So I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous to try this product because the other Charlotte Tilbury powder that everybody loves I feel like I'm gonna get so much hate for this, but I'm just gonna say it. But the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Powder, I had to return it because it broke me out.
Yes, it did.
Yes. It broke me out and I'm gonna stick by it, and I was really upset by it because everybody, their mama, their aunt loves it. It didn't work for me. So I was really nervous to try this product because obviously I don't wanna be breaking out. I'm having a good skin day lately. My YouTube friend was telling me that that powder has sweet almond oil in it. So for some people, they can have a sensitive reaction, where this new bronzer come through. Even though it's the same kind of formulation, it doesn't have the sweet almond oil. So I'm really excited about that. I cannot wait to put some bronzer on my skin. I feel like I look like one color. I need to look like the sun kissed me so gently. I want to feel bronze and glowy, soaking up that vitamin D, honey. Beautiful, shining. So y'all ready? I feel like you guys are hurting me gab enough. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's actually put this bronzer on my skin. I usually contour my face before I put a bronzer on, but I feel like I'm not going to. I'm gonna contour and bronze kind of at the same time. I'm going to be using my Sephora contour brush. And if you want to watch how I apply my bronzer, it's basically in a 3. And if you want more details, I did talk a lot about it in my last video. So again, watch my last video, please. So I'm gonna take some bronzer, a couple dabs, tapping it off. Get your duck face going, because I know some of y'all are pros at making the duck face.
Wow. Literally gliding on like butter and smooth like a baby's bum. Oh, hi Charlie. Thank you so much for joining the video.
Guys, this bronzer is freaking insane. Do you see the color and the finish? I'm gonna come closer.
But seriously, do you see it though?
A little more, because why not?
And I try not to do the Jersey Shore vibes. Do you guys remember that show?
I always like hiding my double chin. So bronze side, no bronzer. Do you guys see a difference?
Okay, obviously I need more, duh.
Okay. Other side now. Ooh, she went crazy there. Okay.
We looking chocolate, gonna even it out. Haven't had chocolate in so long.
Guys, literally, I cannot. This bronzer is freaking amazing. Like, the color is so good. And the finish, I feel like it's so silky smooth. Like, it's actually insane.
But why the hair flip?
And if you guys are noticing, I'm applying so much product, but it doesn't look heavy on my skin at all. I can't. I'm in love.
Yes, we can see that. Calm down.
Hello, jaw. She back.
Ooh.
We got some high cheekbones again. Yes.
Sometimes I can't deal with myself. Actually, a lot of
I
times.
feel like I'm overdoing it, but whatever. Guys, dare I say this might be my favorite powder bronzer? Can I say that?
It's the truth though, baby girl.
So as you guys can see, I don't have any blush or highlighter on yet, but can we just appreciate this color and this finish? The tone of this bronzer is literally perfect. It's this like perfect brown, bronzy, orangey, slightly reddish tone. It just makes my skin look so healthy. I feel like I just came back alive. Like, I can't. I'm so happy with this. It did such a good job contouring, but also bronzing my face. So anybody that's not wearing a bronzer, you are missing out. I'm gonna put a little bit on my body as well, just here. Okay. Is that a vibe? I mean, if you're wearing something off shoulder, I think it's kind of cute to kind of define this part of your body. I forget what you call it.
Or décolleté.
So I'm gonna put some blush, some highlighter, same as my last video, and I'm gonna be right back. This is the finished look, guys. I haven't set my face yet with some Fix Plus, so I'm gonna do that right now. So would I recommend this bronzer? Absolutely freaking yes. Like, you need this bronzer, guys. You literally need to stop this video right now and go get it. Okay, I'm being super dramatic as always. The only thing that I have an issue with this bronzer is that I wish there were more colors. 4 colors for a bronzer is just not enough in my opinion. That's the only thing. But otherwise, I am so in love with this product. I cannot speak highly enough. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I know it was another bronzer video because I just did one, but I promise I will do something different next time. But if you guys do have any questions, comments, just if you want to talk about anything, if you picked up this bronzer, if you love it, honestly anything, I would love to talk to you guys in the comments below. And if you guys want to keep on talking, see random videos, random things I do in my daily life, my Instagram is justjamiep. I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will talk to you soon. Bye.